Hello everyone, welcome back again. And in this video, we are going to start the chapter. Okay, and so in this video, we are going to start the chapter. So let us start with, as I said in last video, that I will be starting with the definition of matter. So what is matter actually? Matter. So what is matter? Anything that has mass, anything that has mass and possesses, not possesses, anything that has mass and occupies space is called matter. So very simple junior class definitions: anything that has mass and occupies space. Okay, so anything that has a mass, this marker has a mass, it occupies space. Yes, it occupies space. If I am holding this on my hand, it is covering some area. Okay, so this occupying space capacity is called volume. So this is what anything that has mass and has volume. Okay, because occupying space is just saying anything is volume. So matter, anything that has mass and occupies space is called matter. Now the things is that what actually makes matter so special and why it has been provided in our syllabus. So actually matter didn't come from you are seeing the table, you are seeing chair, you are seeing a lot of people around you. They are not formed in just one day. So what I want to conclude is that I want to explain you about origin of matter. So origin of matter. So the next thing is origin of matter. What do you mean by origin? Origin means जहाँ से वो आया. From where did this all matter came from? From where do we find out this? So let me tell you a story about Big Bang Theory. So it was Big Bang Theory. So in Big Bang Theory, we have discussed about how our universe get formed and how our universe took form. So Big Bang Theory is a theory which was given by I'm not remembering the name. The name was so there was some person. I will tell you the name definitely, but I'm not recalling it. If I get in this video, I will tell you. So Big Bang Theory was suggested by a scientist. So according to this scientist, our universe, thousands, not thousands, million trillions years of ago, we saw what not we saw. We just have proposed a theory that there are a lot of existing theory on the formation of this universe. One of the most explaining theory is Big Bang theory. That is why it is the acceptable theory. Later all the theories, बाकी भी जितने theories हैं, they all actually talk about the formation of universe, but this is the most trusted one. Okay, so according to Big Bang theory, our universe thousands of years ago, a ball of very light mass, but having very high, heat, containing heat in itself, and having a ball which is very heated and it's moving towards us with a very high velocity. So it has a very, core part is too hot, and the core part along with the kinetic energy and all your universe was just captured in that small ball. So whenever it enter the our universe, it suddenly starts to cool, and when it start to cool, two things form. First is, from that बिग बैंग थ्योरी से हमारे दो चीजें बन गई. एक बना एंटी मैटर, सेकेंड वाज matter. But this antimatter was less, matter was more. Antimatter is completely a different topic, so don't think about that. Just focus on here. Okay, you just think that it is only made, all the matters were made by Big Bang theory. Okay? So how this happened that all the particles which were concentrated in that, they started to cool. When they start to cool, they start forming some gaseous around us like oxygen, nitrogen, and oxygen and nitrogen mainly get formed after cooling. Then after 3 or 4 lakh years again, we saw living organism taking birth on this earth. So all this was started when Big Bang theory started this. So the formation of universe itself constitutes the matter around us. Without that Big Bang theory, we are not living here. I was not able to teach you. So the thing here is that every matter is composed of just one fundamental thing, and that one fundamental thing is nothing but particles, and those particles are what? Atoms and molecules. So the atoms and molecules actually bring us a various structures around us, and that we call matter. So the thing here is that Big Bang theory was the origin of the universe. Next is, now आज जो मैटर्स बन रहे हैं, एलिमेंट्स आर गेटिंग फॉर्म, एलिमेंट, सो ऑल द थिंग्स अराउंड अस आर जस्ट एक्चुअली द प्योर मेटल्स, एलिमेंट्स और कंपाउंड, यही दो चीजें हो सकती हैं. ठीक है, ये भी है, दिस इज आल्सो मेटल, दिस इज अ प्लास्टिक एक्चुअली, बट plastic has some bonding in it. Okay, so the elements get formed in, so the matter forms inside interior of stars. Here hydrogen, H2 is the symbol of hydrogen, helium are two chief elements that forms matter, that forms elements, that is atoms, that is matter. तो जितने भी एलिमेंट अगर अभी हम देख रहे हैं, यहाँ पे हाइड्रोजन और हीलियम एक दूसरे से बहुत तेजी से कोलाइड होते हैं, एंड दैट इज कॉल्ड न्यूक्लियर फ्यूजन. So due to the nuclear fusion, the stars get formed, and along with stars, H2 and helium, they form a round of various elements. Okay, so this is how matter originated from Big Bang theory. Stars के अंदर matter बनता है, element बनता है, and how does it come to the atmosphere? So there is a state of matter which is called plasma. So if when that element enters the Earth's atmosphere, they slow down, and when they slow down, they start to get cool, and when they formed gaseous, and when they come down to the Earth, they finally get converted into liquid, and at the last जब वो सबसे नीचे होता है तब वो जाकर के सॉलिड मैस बनता है. और ऐसा नहीं कि सॉलिड मैस सीधा वहां पे होता है, गिरा हुआ है जमीन पे जाकर के एलिमेंट को उठा लिया. नो, that goes deeper into the earth crust, and by mining and by various activities we actually obtain those elements, and for our use, उसको यूज करने के लिए हम लोग प्रोसेसेस करते हैं बहुत सारे. ठीक है, तो उस प्रोसेसेस से हम लोग उसको यूजेबल फॉर्म में बनाते हैं. ओके, सो दिस वाज ऑल अबाउट मैटर, origin of matter. In this way we have completed one topic. Okay, in the next video we'll be coming with the next topic. If you have any doubt regarding this topic, you can comment obviously. Okay, till then, goodbye.